Welcome to the Forensic Science program here at Harrisburg University of Science and Technology. Students will be able to choose between two different degree options based upon whatever their career goals and interests are. The first degree option is the Forensic Science degree within the Forensic Science program. The second option is the Forensic Investigations track, and this is a focus within the Integrative Sciences program. Within both of those degree options, the faculty comes from a diverse background and full of experience. These are practitioners from the field, whether it's from the crime laboratory, from the coroner's office, or someone within the criminal justice system, such as an attorney or a police officer. These are all members who have actually performed the duties in which they are discussing in class. Additionally, our program offers students hands-on opportunities by ways of internship and research projects. This chart highlights the Forensic Science program and the Forensic Investigations track, and hopefully will give people an idea of which offering would be best for their educational pursuits. For the Forensic Science program, this is going to be a hard science, laboratory-based program. This would be great for anyone who wants to work within the crime lab, whether as a biologist, a DNA analyst, drug chemist, trace analyst, toxicologist, any type of position within the actual crime laboratory. The course requirements include a background of general chem, organic chemistry, biology, physics, and calculus, as well as other advanced courses to help to support those different hard science and lab skills. The Forensic Investigations track is great for somebody interested in all the different aspects of investigation. Typically, this could be a crime scene investigator or crime scene technician ambition. Additionally, studying this course could also prepare you for careers in medical legal death investigator, whether as a forensic investigator or deputy coroner, and for any type of positions within the criminal justice field. The course requirements are a little bit different and less heavy on the sciences. In 2023, we anticipate that the Forensic Science program will be accredited. This is a accreditation very specific to forensic science programs, whereas the Forensic Investigations track will not, which is common with this type of accreditation. Normally it's focused just on the forensic science portion. Once students have completed their core forensic courses, they then will be able to select from a variety of different forensic courses based upon whatever their career ambitions are. These are anything from additional forensic science courses to different techniques commonly used at crime scenes, as well as in the investigations of crimes and medical legal death investigation. Why choose Harrisburg University? Our program has small class sizes. The faculty comes from diverse backgrounds across forensic science and the criminal justice field. Each of them have hands-on experience and have actually done the courses in which they are teaching. We require students to complete an internship as well as 2 semesters of research. We're located within close proximity to the Dauphin County Courthouse and the Dauphin County Coroner's Office, which allows us to give students firsthand knowledge of what occurs. Lastly, we just built a brand new mock crime scene room. This allows students to be able to participate and to actually immerse themselves into the crime scene experience and best prepares them for employment. Within a mock crime scene room, we have a common open area in which students are able to document, process, sample different types of evidence and package them properly. We also have 2 different crime scene areas. Within the actual mock crime scene space, we have 2 different rooms that can be set up and are separated by a partition. This allows for us to work in one larger area or to offer 2 different crime scenes simultaneously for students to be able to process. Within this room, students will work on their critical thinking skills, the ability to document different types of evidence, as well as collection and sometimes even different types of analyses. The video that you're watching is a 360 rendering of the mock crime scene space that was actually completed by one of our students during her internship. Harrisburg University requires that students complete 2 semesters of research. In forensics, we offer 2 different options, the Student Developed Project and Forensic Case Studies. For the Student Developed projects, students will take 2 semesters. In the first semester, they will develop an area in which forensic research is needed. They will work with their mentor, looking at previous research. They will develop an actual design for their entire project. This would include the materials, different methods that were selected, and different ways to interpret the data and draw conclusions. In the second half, they're going to be actually running their experiment, collecting their data, and making their own conclusions. For the forensic case studies, students are going to be provided with a mock case based upon 3 forensic disciplines in which the student has provided to the instructor. In Project 1, students will receive the case history and an evidence inventory log explaining what evidence they will receive. From then, they're going to have to research and determine what type of analytical method they need to do to interpret the data and complete the analysis. For Project 2, the students will be handed the evidence itself, and they will be the ones conducting all of the analyses, interpreting the data and drawing the appropriate conclusions within the context of the actual case study. So this gives a student the opportunity to really work cases like a practitioner would, like somebody who is doing the actual analyses at the crime lab would. Once the student has completed their case, they will then be presenting their findings in the form of a mock trial. It's important that students understand how to give testimony, as that is a major component of our job, and this is a great way to best prepare our students. Please feel free to reach out to us with any questions you might have about the program or Harrisburg University. Our contact information is below, and we'd love to hear from you.